What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to talk about Domo AI. Domo AI is an AI-powered video editor that's revolutionizing the way we create videos. In this video, we are going to take a closer look at how to use Domo AI to generate videos. So, let's start. So first things first, before you continue, you need to have Discord installed on your computer. If you don't have Discord, simply go to discord.com, create a free account, and download the app. Now, after that, open up your web browser and go to domoai.app. Now, from here, click on Join Our Discord. This is going to send you an invitation in Discord, and once you accept it, your Discord is going to be automatically opened. The editing process in Domo AI is simple and enjoyable. Once you've selected your desired template, you'll see a range of options for customization. You can add effects, filters, and text to enhance your video. Additionally, you can trim, crop, and merge clips to create a seamless flow. The app offers a user-friendly interface, making the editing process easy and intuitive. Domo AI offers various options to change the style of your video. You can transform your video into a cartoon or apply different artistic effects. Simply select the style you prefer and see the magic happen. This feature allows you to create unique and personalized videos that stand out. Once you've finished editing your video, it's time to save and share your creation. The app allows you to save your video to your device's gallery. You'll receive a notification once the video is saved. You can also directly share your videos on social media platforms or send it personally to friends and family. So there you have it, guys. This is how you can use Domo AI video generator to make your own AI generated videos. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.